Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's on every crypto investor's mind: when should I sell my cryptocurrencies? Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned trader, finding the right moment to cash out can be a tough call. Let's dive in and explore the factors that can help you make that decision. Understanding market trends. First things first, understanding market trends is essential. Keep an eye on the price movements of your chosen cryptocurrencies. If you notice a prolonged uptrend and the value has reached your target, it might be a good time to consider selling. Setting clear goals. It's crucial to set clear goals for your investments. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Having a specific goal in mind will guide your selling decisions. If you've achieved your target gains, selling can be a smart move to secure your profits. Assessing news and events. News and events play a significant role in the crypto market. Positive news about a cryptocurrency's adoption, partnerships, or technological advancements can lead to price surges. Conversely, negative news can trigger dips. Stay informed and consider the potential impact of upcoming events on your holdings. Monitoring market sentiment. Market sentiment can be a powerful indicator. If you notice a sudden surge of hype around a particular coin, it might be a sign to sell if you're comfortable with the profits you've made. However, remember that hype can be short-lived, so timing is crucial. Considering tax implications. Selling crypto can have tax implications. Depending on your country's regulations, you might owe taxes on your gains. Factor in these potential costs when deciding when to sell. Bonus point. And now, for the bonus point you've been waiting for. A common strategy is to sell in stages. This means selling a portion of your holdings at various price points instead of all at once. This approach can help you take advantage of price fluctuations while reducing the risk of missing out on potential gains. Deciding when to sell your crypto requires careful consideration. Remember to analyze market trends, set clear goals, stay informed about news, gauge market sentiment, and factor in tax implications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!